What's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Pan Express Project channels. If you like that little video in the beginning, I got myself one of those Subaru RC. I actually got mine through Subaru Consumer. Don't worry about that. Too bad, sadly, they're actually sold out, and I just happened to be able to grab a few, couple of them before they sold out. So, hope you like that little four-wheel donut right there. It was pretty fun. It's actually pretty cool little toy. Sadly, I would have recorded, but it ran out of juice. But anyway, anyway. So right now I'm gonna plan to install a couple parts on my WRX that's currently behind me. I'm gonna install the Cusco. Oh crap! I dropped it. I didn't hit the intercooler. So I'm gonna install this Cusco master cylinder brake. The brake master cylinder brace from Cusco. And if we have a little extra time, I'm going to add on the Perrin shift stop. And my buddy over there is going to help me. He's currently working his piece of crap Volvo, which does not work for some apparent reason. Say hi, Jack.
Hey.
Yeah,
What's up, World Wide Web?
Let's get back to work and let's get to while I'm doing this. All right, this is, no, don't start the vehicle. We don't need to start the vehicle at all. I just want to show them how much it flex. All right, this is the Cusco brake master cylinder brace. So the reason why I'm adding this thing is, Jack, go ahead, press on the brake pedal. If you manage to pick that up, hopefully the camera picked it up, but it does move a little bit, and I'm gonna say hopefully. Well, this will bridge that little gap. We'll put a point right here and gap into the strut tower brace and actually keep it from moving. And also, and he's playing with this stick. What it will do is just firms up the brake pedal, just give it a better brake pedal feel. Okay, you can stop playing with my stick now. All right, let's get to work now. Now, I'm not going to really show an install video of this because SubiSpeed actually makes a really good install video. It's pretty simple. All you had to do is move this bracket, put this in, put the 2 bolts back in, use the supply bolt, which is only about 5 bolts, which also surprisingly, I did not know this has holes for them. So just add that, put it together, and then bada bing, bada boom. Same goes with the shifter stop, like I said, if I have time. Same thing, SubiSpeed made a really good video of these installation. So I'll definitely put them in the link in the bottom, so this way if you haven't had a single clue what the heck I'm doing, their video will explain a little further. So I don't feel like doing an install video, but I am going to install these parts, hopefully now. All right, let's do it.
When people do it on video, it looks easy, but when you do it actually, it's a little harder. All right, we got the brace, and it took a little longer than expected. So it's not that hard. I mean, to me it was. It's my fat hand. So it's just 5 10 millimeters and a 12 millimeter and a 12 millimeter wrench, or a box wrench would do just fine because they're both 12. So, but yeah, it's done now. There we go. You don't have to go crazy with the tightness, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just to keep it from flexing. It makes the pedal a little firmer. All right, I guess it's time for the shift stop bushing. All right, now we're working on the shift stop bushing, or to shift stop. But he's doing it because he's already in the driver's seat and he can do a little quicker than I can, even though we're both amateur at this. But thanks to Shimmy Speed video, makes the job easy. All right, time for the install. Like I said, I'm not gonna do any install. We have to keep that. I'm not gonna show the install because Super Speed showed a really good video on this. So, all right, let's skip ahead. Well, now the shift stop is in now. It's a lot harder than it looks. It does take about 20 minutes once you know what the fuck you're doing. He did most of the work because he has smaller hands than I do. Adjusting it took a little while, and yeah, again, fine-tuning this thing was a little tricky because you got to leave a little space for it. You know, you don't want to smack anything, but looks pretty good. I can always readjust this later on, but overall it does feel much nicer. But let's put everything back together. And also, he needs to go home. I'm hungry as fuck, and I want to go home too. So let's finish this up, and then I'll let you know how it feels when I drive it. Overall, the shift stop is really nice. Let me get some light in here. Hope there's plenty of that. And there's my dash cam going off. But overall, the shifter. God damn you, bitching Betty.
Regularly format memory card for data integrity.
But overall, the shifting feels much tighter. I mean, for 30-40 bucks, that's actually a good investment. I don't even know why I've never done this before. If you guys own a WRX from 15 and above, definitely get the shifter. If you got the 15 and above WRX, definitely invest yourself in a Perrin shift stop. There is other brand, but like I said, I got this with a part of the package with the shifter bushing, the short shift adapters, and the shift stop itself. So I'll definitely link all this stuff from below. If you guys haven't seen my last video where I unboxed some of the Perrin stuff, this is one of them. And so far, I'm very liking this. I haven't driven it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna feel nice. And also the Cusco brace. I've noticed the brake pedal feels a little firmer, just a little firmer. But I won't know that until I drive and see how it feels. But overall, quality product, Cusco's and Perrin. Very good quality product. So I hope you guys like this video. I mean, I kind of like the item and stuff. This is definitely worth an investment. Leave a comment below. What do you think of my little install video, even though it's not really an install video, but I'll link those on the bottom. Super Speed made some good videos. But definitely, if you guys didn't have the chance yet, hit the subscribe button right on the bottom corner, somewhere right there on the left side. Definitely will help out a channel like me, since I'm still new and I'm starting out, and hopefully I can produce more content for you guys. So hopefully to see you guys in the futures and new builds. See you then. Peace.